Robby's Discovery Adventure. In a land of wires and circuits, there lived a little robot named Robby. Robby loved to explore and learn about the world around them. One day, Robby saw a strange object on the ground. It was round and colourful. "Hello, what are you?" Robby asked. "I'm a ball," said the object. Robby was curious. "What is a ball for?" The ball explained, "You can roll me, bounce me, and play games with me." Robby wanted to try. They gave the ball a little push, and it rolled across the floor. "Wow, that's fun," Robby said. Next, Robby found a box with buttons. "What do you do?" Robby asked the box. "I'm a puzzle box," said the box. "You can press my buttons to make pictures." Robby pressed the buttons, and the box lit up, showing colourful pictures. "Learning is amazing," Robby exclaimed. Robby kept exploring. They found a book with pages filled with letters and pictures. "What's this?" Robby wondered. "I'm a book," said the book. "You can read my words to learn stories and new things." Robby looked at the letters and tried to read. A-P-P-L-E, apple, Robby said proudly. As the stars twinkled outside, Robby realized that learning was like an adventure. With every new thing they discovered, Robby's world grew bigger and brighter. "Good night, world," Robby said, powering down. And as Robby dreamt of new discoveries, the moon smiled down, knowing that learning is a journey that never ends.